Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my large knotless braids. Okay, so these are the things you're going to be needing for this process: the shine and jam gel, combs, spray bottle, as in for water spray bottle is very necessary because you need to keep hydrating your hair. And then you also need hair clips, just to help you section your hair. So I already went ahead to part my hair the way I want the box braids to be. So I have a detailed video of how I section my hair for braids, so I'll put the link up here so you can check that out if you haven't seen the video.
What's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your.
So I finished parting out my hair and I have a total of 23 parts. So that means we're going to be doing 23 braids all together. So this is not a rubber band method of knotless braids. So I just use the rubber band to hold the hair in place so the parts that I've created doesn't scatter. So I'm just going to start braiding the hair one after the other. So what I like to do is to just remove the rubber band, detangle the hair, and then rub a little bit of shine and jam at the root, just to make it clean and smooth before I go ahead and apply add the attachments. So for this braids I use a total of 2 big expression and 1 small one. That's 2.5 expression attachments, right? Another thing I like to do is to also add the shine and jam gel to the tip of my hair because I have a very thick hair. So this hair has the tendency of bulging out of the braids, so I have to add a lot of shine and jam to the roots of my hair, and rather to the tip of my hair, just so it smooths and blends with the attachments. You also see me adding it while I'm in the hair. So for the braids, I like to start off by braiding my hair just a little bit, not far, just once. Then I'll now start feeding in the attachment to the hair. So this is where or rather why it is called knotless braid. You feed in the attachment bit by bit and not like go to the root at once. So I just like to attach what I do is I have the particular amount I want to use for one braid, then I split it into 7, then I gradually feed in the attachment one after the other I finish the 7 piece that I have splitted out. So while attaching the attachment, you want to put it in between your thumb and your index finger. So that's how I put it. You just have to watch closely and see what I'm doing. I'm just going to keep quiet right now and let the music play, and let's enjoy this video. All right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Okay, I just thought I should throw it in there because I don't think I said it at the beginning of this video. All right, please give this video a thumbs up right now. Okay, thank you.
Makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time.
Also, depending on the length you're going for, you might want to add additional hair at the middle of the hair, as you can see me doing, because I wanted a very long hair. Like, you know, the way you'll be braiding your hair and then as you're getting to the tip, it's getting slimmer. I didn't want that. So I added more hair for the length and to also maintain the thickness from the root, then before it transitions to the thin part, if you get what I mean. So this is something you might want to keep in mind when you're braiding your hair also.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, sub it. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, sub it, give it love, love. Go down low, sub it. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, sub it, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around
I finally finished with the hair. My hands were aching me at this point. But anyway, so I went ahead to use the Shine and Jam mousse and applied it on the hair just to tame the flyaways, because I got no strength to start trimming the the hair one after the other. So this is just another way to just tame those little flyaways on the hair. So I applied it and then use hand dryer. I put it on high heat and then dry it out with it.
So baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry.
After that, I put it in hot water and then we're done. I really love the look afterwards. I went ahead to accessorize it and like put beads and all that, and I really like it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also like. Bye.
You are so transparent.